What a time of joy, laughter, and milestones, from tacos and payoffs to new home blessings and new neighbors. As we step from homecoming to our 40th year, the runway to hope is just getting started. Come on and join us. Welcome to Built to Bless. I'm Cynthia Jenkins, and around here, we believe that every now, every neighbor, and every act of service is blessing in motion. So let's jump in and see how we're building and blessing today.